Hello Gucci's team and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing with you a very beautiful salad recipe that you have never tried, and I don't think anyone has ever shared this recipe with you. How you can put your fruits and vegetables together and it will make you a yummy-licious salad. You can eat with any pasta of your choice. You can eat with jollof rice, fried rice, or chicken, or moi moi.
And you'll be using spinach also for this salad. Okay, baby spinach. I've gone ahead to get some of my cabbage ready, and we're going to have all manner of fruits. We're going to have cantaloupe, apple. We're going to have some pineapples. We're going to have some kiwi. We're going to have tangerine and all of those good stuffs. Stay tuned and enjoy. Here's my salad bowl. I'm going to go in with my spinach.
Just make sure to wash your vegetables nicely with salt and water.
And here's my cabbage. I'm going to go in with some cabbage.
I've gone ahead to wash all my vegetables nice and they are all clean. So this is the best way to go about your vegetables. You can also use vinegar, salt, water if you like. Here is my cucumber. It's nicely washed and clean. I've chopped it and I'm pouring it into the bowl. So here are my shredded carrots. You can dice your carrots if you like, okay?
Here's my apple chopped. Just go in with your chopped apple. Just go in with every vegetable and fruit that you like to have in your salad. Okay? We're going to be going in with our kiwi. So go in with your kiwi. Look at that. Have you tried making salad this way? This is my vegetable fruit salad, guys. Very healthy, very, very, very healthy. So I have cantaloupe. I'm going to go in with my diced cantaloupe. It's coming nicely, right? Guys, I have pineapples chopped. I'm going to add it to this deliciousness. Look at that. Guys, look at this salad.
There are several ways you can make your salad and enjoy it. If you have vegetables and fruit at home, this is an idea. Look at how beautiful. Would you imagine that you can put all of this together and make salad out of it? Try this and come back to say thank you, Gucci's Kitchen. Now let's add our pineapples to this delicious.
All of those juice. Oh my goodness, guys. This is so good. I'm going to add tangerine. Remember, this is fruit vegetable salad. You can add whatever you like as long as it's vegetables. Okay? We are going to mix this now.
But before then, I will not forget to add my onion. I love onion a lot in my salad recipes.
So I'm going to be using this mayonnaise. You can use any mayonnaise of your choice. You can add black pepper. I'm going to add some. I went in with black pepper and my mayonnaise. Add your lemon or lime. So your choice. Just squeeze one whole lemon or lime in. It's always advisable.
And if you have watched till this moment, I want to say a very huge thank you for always tuning on to watch.
Mix it in until it is well combined. Guys, you can also use this for breading. You can use this for any breading, toast it. Like you want to do your shawarma, you can go ahead. Look at, see how yummy. See how yummy, guys. This is it. Look at that. See how delicious. Do you want to try this? Let me know in the comment section. Have you tried this ever? Let me know in the comment section. Let me show you. You can also add this. If you like, you can add this. It's also very delicious in this salad recipe. You can also go ahead with this heart of palm. This is so beautiful, trust me. You can go in with it also. So let me know what you want to do. Let me know if you're going to try this on the comment section. So all you need to do is to bring it out from the can and rinse it out. I make sure I rinse things like this out. Don't put it in your food without rinsing it out. So here is it. This is how it is. I just chopped it into these bit sizes. You can go ahead and chop it like so. Or you can even chop it tinier than this. Okay, we're going to add it to our salad. I decided to add it now so that everything will not pour. It's a lot. I don't want it to pour. So add it in, mix it in nicely. For this one, this is how it looks on the inside. And I've gone ahead to chop it this way. I mean, I like to try new things. My friend told me about it, and I said, why not? I can go ahead and try it. So, I mean, they are on the big sizes, so I just chopped it this way. You can go ahead and chop it to your own preference. So this is it. I'm going to add it in. Just go ahead and add bit by bit. If you like, you can go ahead and add more mayonnaise because you want it tasty. The mix. Look at that. Please subscribe to this channel if you haven't done so already. And please give this video a massive thumbs up. Share to your family, friends, and loved ones. This is so delicious. I hope you're going to try this. The cheese team. Try this, you will love it. If you have not subscribed, please do me well to subscribe. Please do me well to give this video a massive thumbs up. This is the most delicious vegetable fruit salad. Tastes very yummy. Very yummy, guys. Like, you need to try this. Add black pepper, add your mayonnaise. If you like, you can add ranch or any dressing of your choice. You can use this for shawarma, honestly. You can use this for shawarma recipe. You can use it for any sandwich. You can use it for any sandwich, and this is so good. This is so good. Guys, you can eat this salad with bread. You can eat it with anything that you choose to eat it with. I'm eating with mac and cheese. I have this recipe on my channel. I just posted it. Go and look it up and check out what you can eat the salad with. Very delicious, very yummy-licious. These are portioned for work. Ready, ready, ready. Guys, what would you be pairing this salad recipe with? Drop your comment on the comment section. You can eat with jollof rice, eat with mac and cheese, you can eat with whatever you like. I'm eating this salad with some mac and cheese. I have that recipe already on my channel. Please go look it up. Very interesting, delicious, yummy. You are gonna love it. Stay tuned for more incredible videos. Could you still be loving, be kind, be merciful? God loves the merciful heart. Ciao, ciao. See you soon.